Good morning everyone. Today we are going to make chicken in red gravy. So the ingredient is chicken thighs, cinnamon, chili paste, chili sauce, cooking oil, water and garlic. So the tool is we use a frying pan, wooden spoon, plate, knife and a chopping board. So first one is we're going to heat the pan with the cooking oil and adjust the heat at 6. So we are going to add some cooking oil. Wait until it going to heat. Next, put the garlic, chili paste, and chili sauce. After it cooked well, we add the chicken. Some cinnamon. Finally, we add some water. Mix it well. We must to mix it well so it not stick at the pan. Maybe this may take in 10 or 15 minutes. So the chicken is ready and I'm going to serve it. Enjoy the meal.